Everyone, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Markam, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to vacuum our meat items, our cooked items to in this machine. So let's start. Today guys, I wanna show you how to vacuum the any kind of things, right? So I have the cook item, so I have to vacuum this all of packages. So I will show you how to vacuum this one. So you can see here is the temperature, right? So here is a vacuum, which temperature we want, like here I want to put the max. You can see this arrow, so I have to put here max. So vacuum one, it's a max. Now the temperature you can see over here, I put in the 5. So 5, that means it's okay, it's nice, no problem about this kind of thing. So this is our vacuum machine space. So I have to put this one packet of my meat ball. So I will spread it nicely, and then I will close the door. So you can see, so just a pace for a couple of seconds. So you can see the temperature, it will going up automatically. So you can see guys, the temperature is going up. So we will remove our hand from there. So now you can see it's getting vacuum, our meat ball packet. So now we will check what is the condition of our vacuum one. So the air, it will go now. You can listen the sound. So it's automatically open. So let's check. So now you can see it's vacuum nicely. So this kind of vacuum I want. So it's done. You can see it's locked, and this one open because I have to put this one inside. And when I put this thing, so now it's vacuumed. So I will keep it separate from this container.